Hey, so if you want to search faster without opening multiple websites, DuckDuckGo has a really powerful feature called bangs. It lets you jump straight to other websites using simple shortcuts. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use them step by step. Alright, first, bangs are shortcuts that start with an exclamation mark. They let you search directly on other websites without going to them first. So here's the basic format. You type an exclamation mark, then a website shortcut, then your search term. For example, if you type exclamation mark YouTube space music tutorials, it will take you directly to YouTube results. Or if you type exclamation mark Amazon space headphones, it will open Amazon search results right away. You can also use Wikipedia. Just type exclamation mark wiki followed by your topic. So there are thousands of bangs available. You can search for DuckDuckGo bangs list to see all supported shortcuts. Once you get used to bangs, you can search, shop, and research way faster without even opening websites first. So that's how to use DuckDuckGo bangs shortcuts. Once you memorize a few, your browsing speed honestly goes way up. Hey, so if you want to search